Our channel. In this video we will discuss about what are the top 15 terrific foods to help relieve stress. Discuss about the management of stress which you can do through certain type of foods that you can try. So let us discuss about that. So if you are feeling stressed, it's only natural to seek relief. Chronic stress can take a serious toll on your physical and emotional health. In fact, it may increase your risk of conditions like heart disease and depression. So interestingly, certain foods and beverages may have stress relieving qualities. So here we are presenting top 15 stress relieving fruits, foods and beverages to add to your diet. Talk about this. So this vibrant green tea powder is a popular among health enthusiasts because it is rich in L-theanine, and which is a non-protein amino acid with powerful stress relieving properties. And matcha powder is a better source of the amino acids than other type of green teas, as it's made from green tea leaves grown in the shade. This process increases its content of certain compounds including L-theanine. Now second food for decreasing the stress is Chard is a green leafy vegetable that is packed with stress fighting nutrients. So just 1 cup, that is 175 grams of quick cooked Swiss chard contain 36% of the recommended intake of the magnesium, which plays an important role in your body's stress response. And low level of the minerals are associated with certain conditions like anxiety and panic attacks. Plus, chronic stress may deplete your body's magnesium stores, and making this mineral especially important when you are stressed. So this was all about the second food. So eating whole nutrient-rich carbohydrate sources like sweet potatoes may help lower levels of the stress hormone, that is cortisol. Although cortisol levels are tightly regulated, chronic stress can lead to the cortisol dysfunctions, which may cause inflammation, pain and other side effects. So sweet potatoes are a whole food that makes an excellent carbohydrate choices. So they are packed with nutrients that are important for the stress response, such as vitamin C and potassium. Fourth food is kimchi. So let's talk about it. So kimchi is a fermented vegetable dish that is typically made with Napa cabbage and daikon, a type of radish. And this fermented food like kimchi are packed with beneficial bacteria called probiotics, and they are high in vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. And some researchers has revealed that fermented foods may help reduce stress and anxiety. For example, in a study in 710 young adults, those who ate fermented foods more frequently experienced fewer symptoms of society anxiety. So this was all about the fourth food, that is kimchi. Now next is the fifth one, that is artichokes. So artichokes are an incredibly concentrated source of fiber and especially rich in prebiotics, which is a type of fiber that feeds the friendly bacteria in your gut, that is GIT, gastrointestinal tract. And animal studies indicate that prebiotics like fructo-oligosaccharides, which are concentrated in artichokes, may help reduce stress levels. Plus, one review demonstrated that people who ate 5 or more grams of prebiotics per day experienced improved anxiety and depression symptoms, as well as that of the high quality prebiotic rich diets. Eggs are often referred to as nature's multivitamins because of their impressive nutrient profile. Whole eggs are packed with vitamins, minerals, amino acids and antioxidants which are needed for the healthy stress response. So whole eggs are particularly rich in choline, which is a nutrient found in large amounts in only a few foods. And choline has been shown to play an important role in brain health and may protect against stress. Now eighth food for the stress management is shellfish. So shellfish, which include mussels, clams and oysters, are high in amino acids like taurine, which has been studied for its potential mood boosting properties. Taurine and other amino acids are needed to produce neurotransmitters like dopamine, which are essential for regulating stress response. In fact, some studies indicate that taurine may have antidepressant effects. And shellfish are also loaded with vitamin B12, zinc, copper, manganese, and selenium, and all of which may help boost your mind. And the next food is ninth one, that is fatty fish. So fatty fish like herring, salmon, and mackerel and sardines are incredibly rich in omega-3 fatty acids, or you can say omega-3 fats, with vitamin D, nutrients that have been shown to help reduce stress levels and improve your mood swings. Omega-3 fatty acids, or you can say omega-3 fats, are not only essential for the brain health and mood, but they may also help your body handle stress. In fact, low omega-3 fats intake is linked to increased anxiety and depression in Western populations. Ninth one is parsley, or you can say simply coriander. So parsley is a nutritious herb that is packed with antioxidants, compounds that neutralize unstable molecules, which are called free radicals, and protect against oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is associated with many illnesses, including mental health disorders like depression and anxiety. Some studies have suggested that a diet which is rich in antioxidants may help prevent stress and anxiety issues. The next food is garlic. So garlic is high in sulfur compounds that help increase the level of glutathione. This antioxidant is a part of your body's first line of defense against stress. Next food for stress management is tahini. So tahini is a rich spread made from sesame seeds, which are an excellent source of amino acid like L-tryptophans. So L-tryptophan is a precursor of the mood regulating neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. So following a diet which is high in tryptophan may help boost mood and ease symptoms of depression. So sunflower seeds are a rich source of vitamin E, and this fat-soluble vitamin acts as a powerful antioxidant and is essential for the mental health. A low intake of this nutrient is associated with altered mood and depression. Sunflower seeds are also high in other stress-reducing nutrients, including magnesium, manganese, selenium, zinc, vitamin B, and copper. Next food that you can try for stress management is broccoli. So broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable, and they are renowned for their health benefits. A diet which is rich in cruciferous vegetables may lower your risk for the certain cancers, heart disease, and mental health disorders like depression. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli are some of the most concentrated food sources of some nutrients, including magnesium, vitamin C, folate, that have been proven to combat depressive symptoms. The next food is 14th one, that is chickpeas. So chickpeas are packed with stress-fighting vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, potassium, vitamin B, zinc, selenium, manganese, and copper. These delicious legumes are rich in L-tryptophan, which your body needs to produce mood-regulating neurotransmitters. Some researchers has found that diet which is rich in plant proteins like chickpeas may help boost brain health and improve. So the last food for the stress management is blueberries. So blueberries are associated with number of health benefits, including improved mood. These berries are high in flavonoid antioxidants that have powerful anti-inflammatory and neuroprotective effects. They may help reduce stress-related inflammation and protect against stress-related cellular blueberries. So these were some terrific 15 foods we have discussed with you to help relieve stress management. So that's all for today. See you guys in our next video. Till then, stay connected with us for more video like this. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below, and yes, press the bell icon for more updates. Stay safe and stay healthy, and yes, don't forget to meditate, exercise, perform yogas, pranayams, aerobic exercise daily at least thrice a day. And yes, thanks for watching our video.